Hey, I'm Alex. I want to show you how you can use AI agents for real estate. And let's think like we have a client who sent us beautiful house and we need to find some similar houses for him. What we do here, we just simply write, okay, client sent us this. Can you find similar houses? And now what is going on? AI takes this context, analyzes it, and goes to Zillow. And it finds similar houses for you, and that's it. It finds it in the same neighborhood with same price and in more or less similar other conditions, right? The best part here that it's inside the context right now, so I can use it. So can you summarize these findings, right, and send them to my WhatsApp, right? Because the end goal here is to use this data to help your clients or to help you to find him the best opportunity, right? So here's the summary. And now what is happening, we had connected WhatsApp and when I sent this message, AI understood I need to retrieve this information, send it to my WhatsApp, and then I will receive my message almost immediately. Let's open my WhatsApp and see this is a new message that we just get as a summary, right? Beautiful. We have a list of different findings, but it is just the cherry, right? So in case you want to get your listings on a regular basis, so you can create the flow. And flow is a very interesting concept where you can automate different parts of your job. So first of all, what we want to do here, right? We want to find listings on Zillow in New York, right? Let's say New York, right? In the price between 1 million and 1.2 million. We want to know information about neighbors, okay? And I want to get this info daily on my WhatsApp number, okay? So what is happening right now, AI is going to create a flow. The flow is going to change how we interact with different applications because I don't need to go to Zillow. I don't need to analyze it. I just need to get the best views, which I just recently got, right? So I can ask AI to take only recent New York houses and apartments, and then I really want just to get a summary of them and also information about neighborhood, just to also tell my clients why this is a good deal or is it worth it or not. So, okay, can you get my WhatsApp number from VeyraX memory? And do not, and do not expose it in this chat, just for security reasons. Yeah, but you see, you can also save some, important things inside the memory. Yeah, and you see, it's just retrieving this information because I saved it before. And that could be with almost everything. So like it can save the information that I need New York apartments or I need some other regions, whatever. So it just, can give unlimited opportunities how you use AI. And I think that's super cool technology. We built that just as a demo showcase. We are looking right now for real estate partners where we can just tune this technology into the final product. So this, what I show you is a beta version, but I think you can just try it and use it already. The only thing I believe is the most important is just also create such flows and also use them in the production. And that will probably require you to have more automations and more tools. Yeah, so as we may see, the flow is created. Okay. Yeah, let's just, okay. Can you format the flow so it looks pretty? Okay. It can also ask me some follow-up questions, so I can also reply back to them and also adjust my flow anytime. But here for demo purposes, I just, wanted to show you the pretty flow, and explain more how does it work. Okay, we are generating it now. It's getting quite quick actually. So like it just 5-6 minutes passed from the beginning of this video, and I already showed you the playground, the flows, and how you can connect different applications, which I think very fun to play with. All right, so we retrieve the WhatsApp number from the memory. We search properties to get property details. We get neighborhood information. Yeah, okay, thank you. AI helped me to fix that. So we retrieve the WhatsApp number, search properties, get details, neighborhood information. Okay, no, I don't like it actually. So what can I do here? So I can just, do news search or web search. But actually, can you use Brave for finding info about neighborhood? Okay, so yeah, since it's AI, like I can do some typos and still like it can give me perfect output. This is the magic of language models. I think it's super cool and powerful. What I also like about it, so you can use any other languages. So like if your native language is not English, or if you want to explore different locations, that you can also do that. Or you can just ask some more specific commands, and just the limit is only in data which you provide to AI. So if you have the right data inside the context, so it can analyze it perfectly. And this is what I think the life-changing for real estate. Because I know how many hours it usually takes, and you need to prepare such a report. You open yet another application, you find some brief information, then you need to search deeper. Sometimes something happens, maybe a fire or some, not just good neighborhood overall. So yeah, there are different situations which could, affect the price of the property. And, in most cases, property can, change the price just because of any random factor. But what is really cool about AI, so like you can just, update any flow anytime, very quick. Okay, just generating now a new version of the flow. So yeah, I think it's just a cool, powerful tool. We see it's really interesting for AI agents. So if you have an agency, we can integrate these AI agents inside. They can just save a lot of time in this analytical work, R&D. It can help sales teams just to make lead generations. Yeah, and it should update the flow, right? So okay, it's updated the flow. Yeah, as you may see now, it does the web search also for us, get property details, values. It sends the messages and also schedules every day at 9 a.m. Yeah. Sounds good. So let's just test. Okay, let's test it and see if it's gonna work or not. Because this is the main thing why we are here, right? Just to show you this demo. I think it's really cool, right? So we have a search property function. We have a function that get property details, including like year when it was built, square footage, images if possible, number of bedrooms and bathrooms. Then we get some value of the price. We have some formatting suggestions, and then just we send the result to our WhatsApp. Great. Yeah. So this is super nice. As we may see on the right screen, we are just testing the flow. So what is happening now? AI found the flow. It found our WhatsApp number where we will send the result. Then we found some properties in New York City. There should be like quite recent ones actually, because we're all looking for like, new listings. Yeah. And then what is really cool, like search neighborhood safety statistics, right? Very important. School ratings, right? So it understood that we need to find some school ratings, right? I didn't even thought about that, but I think it's a very important metric, right? We could even just make different flows for different groups. Like if for your client school rating is very important, then it could be like by default the most important metric, just to understand if it's a good property or not. Yeah, well, look how many actions it does in a single prompt, right? So we basically do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then seven different actions, right? And then it's just the beginning, right? So, and I do nothing. I just chat, here's my hands. I do completely nothing right now. Just AI helps to do the job. Super cool, right? Yeah, I mean, I'm showing it to you and chat here, but what is really awesome, you can also schedule it. You see, the workflow runs automatically every day at 9 a.m., meaning it will do the job for me. I will just get the results as soon as the flow has been completed. I get my new message every single day. Yeah, as we may see, let's get the property value. Okay, just to make sure, did you send the message, right? Because the action is quite big and comprehensive, actually. And so we just want to make sure. We can chat here, right? We can chat here. We can chat in the create flow folder here. So if you want to change anything, you just do it here. Yeah, if you do it here, so you need just to write some certain parts. Yeah, as we may see, like since we test this action, we just want to, make sure that the testing was completed. As we may see, like the depth here was already like 10 steps ahead. So it needs some more time just to complete it. Yeah, great. And we've successfully tested the flow, right? So retrieved property value context from the neighborhood was actually this number, which is reasonable, right? Then we open WhatsApp and we see, look, these are results. Fantastic. So daily Zillow New York property updates, we get it. So in this price tag, featured properties here, property details, neighborhood, schools, then attractions, transportation, real estate, market trends, which I think is awesome. In this Bayside, property context value, then you can watch the recent property. So daily property updates will continue tomorrow. Fantastic. Let's open it. So it's within our range. It's in New York, right? Looks pretty good. So, okay, great. Then, okay, when was it listened? It was 10 hours ago, actually, not so long time ago, right? So only less than 2,000 views. So, great. What we need just to do now, publish it, because we want to have it like daily. And we do it. That's great. All right, here it is. Schedule, 9 a.m., weekly. Okay, not weekly, want to have it daily, and then press save. All right, now every 9 a.m. I get my new Zillow New York property updates. Fantastic. But a cherry on top, what I want to show you is the following. So, can you actually modify it, make it a bit more concise? But in the very last step, let's create a video using Revit AI as an overview of this location. Okay. Okay. So what is happening right now? We just want to create a video out of it. And yes, video, AI will handle this job for you as well. So can you even imagine how technologies are going further so that you can even create a personalized video for every single of your clients explaining the neighborhood? So how crazy and how advanced all of this technology could go. This is pure immersive experience, in my opinion. This is how we want to create the future, where you get super nice, super personalized real estate agency, which can give more and more value, really good value. I think it's just a fun example, but trust me, few years from now, that could become also a very important standard of how we interact with our customers. So it's not about creating a video, but it's just about opportunities that AI unlocks to us, right? So now we see it has a create video, and for like just speeding it up, I'll just press save and test and see if it's going to create a video for us. All right. So what is on here, as I showed you in the previous example, so it's gets the memory, search properties, then get property, and then do analysis of the neighborhood information for each property, and then get property value range, and then also like create a video using create video function to generate this video. Yeah, since this product is early beta, it's fine that we sometimes have some markdown issues, but the main idea here is in how powerful we can, reinvent the game with real estate and AI agents, because that's my dream just to get more informative resources, and just not just have one-on-one calls when my agent broker has some time, but also like I would love to know more about the district, and video can help a lot with all of this thing, which I think is super interesting. So again, we get the same pipeline, right? So we just adjust it a little bit. We again now on the page where create a video overview of the neighborhood, right? Which I think nice. Just need to wait a little bit. Okay, let's send all of the information to the WhatsApp number. I'm very excited, very excited, because I'm recording this demo for you, just to see if it's a very interesting example for you for real estate. Video for neighborhood with project ID, send it to the WhatsApp. Okay, nice. Okay, as we may see, this is the last one. Video overview, video was created. Okay, nice. So we probably need to adjust it. We need to get not the video ID, but the real video. But okay. Can you please check if the video is ready? Okay. So this is really the best part, I think. So here AI do all of the job for me, so I don't need even to go and know how to create videos. It was initiated successfully, but system is processed the request when it's ready. Okay, it should take a couple minutes from now, but we may see and open like this app. So okay, let me show you. Open VeyraX. And then go to the dashboard. Yeah, it's actually ready. Okay, let's see.
Discover this beautiful property at 5807 201st Street in Bayside 9. This detached one-family colonial offers 3 bedrooms and 1.5 baths on a serene, tree-lined street. Priced at $1,130 down to $800, this home features a spacious layout perfect for entertaining. Located in the highly sought-after school district number 26, this property is ideally positioned near shopping, dining, and the Q27 bus to Flushing. The neighborhood has...
So you get the point, right? So AI just created the video based on the context we have, right? Okay, now can you send me this video link, please? It should be ready. Send it to WhatsApp. Okay. So yeah, that's it, right? So this is how it works, right? This is super fun in my opinion. So we, in just 20 minutes, it found some listings, it found some neighborhood information, it created a video, it sent it to me to WhatsApp, it created the flow that will run every single day at 9 a.m. and it will create a new video every single day at 9 a.m. for my clients, right? So, yeah, okay. So maybe like the direct link is not available here, but okay. The only thing I need I will export it here and I will download it. What I also know, you can just, publish it to your social medias directly in this app. So, yeah, but this is the magic. This is the future of how AI should work, right? And then, yeah, I will show you integrations, which we also have here. Integrations are super interesting also. So we have connections, we have real estate, we have different tools for leads. So we have things like Apollo, we have things like LinkedIn. You can connect your profiles, you can find customers, you can answer your customers, right? So you can get your messages from WhatsApp, you can schedule messages, you can schedule events on Google Calendar, right? This is very interesting in my opinion. There are some even tools for marketing, right? So video is a good example. Leads, Hunter.io is perfect place for finding emails. Apollo is great for finding people and recruiting new talents. Then, what is also interesting, search. You can connect search, you can search for images, videos, news. You can get most recent information with Perplexity. What is also interesting, you can use browsers. Like browser use can scrap any data you want. You can create some designs. You can create images, videos, 3D models of your houses and remove backgrounds and fine-tune real models. And Bannerbear can help you to create like social media visuals and banners for advertisement. which I think also very, very cool. Communications, we have, as I told you, Google Calendar, WhatsApp, Gmail. We have some tools to send marketing emails like Resend. You can retrieve some data from Reddit, actually, which could be also helpful in terms of testimonials about the neighborhood. Slack, you can send your notifications to your team Slack. The knowledge, YouTube videos, I'm not sure, but you can also retrieve data from YouTube videos. Open weather, just, get overall cut of the weather in case you want to sell some property where you need to, give overview information for your clients. Then Google Sheets, again, Outlook, Todoist, Confluence. And this is just the cherry, because if you open the tab where we have all of the MCP servers, in the tab of MCP servers, you have things like HubSpot, right? You have Salesforce. You can install Salesforce here. And what is cool, you can also integrate all of your routine inside Salesforce and just, use AI agents just for the most boring part. And you can just keep where you really want to, pay more attention as a human. What we explore right now, some of MCP integrations, they're in early beta. That means we would be super happy to integrate this type of products and work close together with real estate agents. And we want to polish this product to make it very useful for people who are looking for solutions in the real estate. So I hope you enjoyed this video. That was long, but I think quite exciting. How you can use AI agents in your real estate agency business. Hope to see you next time.